everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. We're going to use this YouTube random comment picker to choose 12 names, one from each of the 12 birthday giveaways. And yeah, this one's different, so let's see what happens here. Alright, so I'm going to go to the first video. Video 1 right here. Grab the URL. You're right there. Copy. Go back to the YouTube random comment picker. Put it in. Let's see who the name is. We have a shark fin going back and forth, loading comments. Ah. All right, Sonia Ledford, happy birthday! My, what a great fartlick you have become. All right, you are the first name from the very first video. Okay, now we're going to go to day 2. Can I get it from here without clicking on the video? Yes, I can share the link. Copy. Go up to the comment picker. Paste it in. Okay. Unique authors. Pick random YouTube comment. Okay. Ooh, Frenchie's Fiber Files. When I have too much to drink, I collywobble and fall over a lot. All right, you are the second name. So now I'm going to go to, get rid of this one I just did, day 3. Share, copy, go here, to random comment picker, put it in there, paste. Now it's loading comments. Okay, it's faster. There, okay. And then pick somebody. So we see up there it's 3 of 12. All right, Michelle Travaglieto. Probably pronounced that wrong. Sorry, Michelle. Hi, Darla. The moose keychain is so cute. My sister is making a turducken for Thanksgiving. Thank you for your generosity. What a fun way to celebrate your birthday. Have a great weekend. Thank you so much, Michelle. You are name number 3. Okay, we're going on to day 4. Get the linky dink. Put in the YouTube random comment picker. Paste. Okay, unique. Here we go. Barbara McClary. Hi, Darla. When I'm counting my stitches and someone interrupts me, I go macaronic. Oh, me too. All right. Awesome. Your name goes in the bucket. Y'all ready for day 5? Here we go. Wyoming whips. I was making an Afghan when I noticed a deflucken in it. Awesome. And here we go to day 6. Michelle Gibbs. Onomatopoeia has to be a crazy, crazy English word. Love the sweater. Thanks, Michelle. Your name goes in the bucket. 6 of 12. We're on to day 7 of 12. I really like how it shows the actual video above there. Then you know for sure you got the right one. Okay, let's pick a name. We have Chatelaine Makes. Not every Canuck is a Canadian. All right. Your name goes in the bucket. All right, here we are at day 8. Let's go. Denise Hoffman. I think all of us women hate the yearly mammogram. We do it, but nobody likes the titty nope. Your name goes in the bucket. Here we go, day 9 of 12. Tammy Gibson, Darla. I'm ashamed to admit, but one day I thought I was alone, and I had to fluff for Doodle. I looked around and I froze. I saw a neighbor kid looking through my window at me. I really would not mind if I had this Snapdragon yarn you showed. Bless you. Oh dear. Sorry, I tipped the camera. Here's her comment. Thanks, Tammy. Flufferdoodle. Okay, on to the next one. Your name goes in the bucket. Okay, we're on day 10 of 12. Moving right along. Barb, 4102001. Hi, Darla. We had a very nice Thanksgiving. My daughter made a new dish with kerfuffle. It was delicious. Awesome. So, your name goes in the bucket. Okay, day 11 of 12. Let's pick someone. Patriot Pirate. My husband grew up in Massachusetts eating fluffernutter sandwiches. I never heard of them. I thought he was crazy when he asked me to make him one. Then I tried one. Yum. All right. On to day 12. Your name goes in the bucket. All right, one more to do. I'm kind of sad a little bit. This is fun. All right, here we are on day 12 of 12, the last one. Here we go. Okay. Helen Zimkowski. When I try to get ready, I skirl everything I have. All right, your name goes in the bucket. Oh, how exciting. Yes, it is.